Hey everyone, thanks for watching Evan Tuted. I'm Evan and I'm going to show you how to round the corners of your type so that it looks really nice. Now if you've ever tried to round the corners on type, you may have been sorely disappointed when it looked like this. This is what happens when you outline your type and then you go Effect, Stylize, Round Corners. The effect just doesn't work. It works if you have straight angles, but on curves and things like that, it just looks bad. So when you compare that with the original type, it just doesn't look very good. Well, you'll notice that my other example here, that the finished one, actually looks pretty good. It looks dead on. So I'll show you how we do that. So let's get started. I'm going to start with my live type here. Let's see. Okay, so I have live type, so I'm going to start by selecting it. I'm going to go Type, Create Outlines. Now the next step, we go Object, Path, Offset Path. Now I have my Offset Path dialog set up to do -4 point. I'm going to preview that. It's important that this is a negative number. Now let me change the color of my stroke so you can see it better. So we go Object, Path, Offset Path, Preview. I can see how much I'm going to offset this. Now I want to remember this number, and if you're going to do something precise, you probably want to write that down. I'm going to click OK, and you'll notice that all that my computer has, or all the software has selected, is the new path I just created. So I'm going to go ahead and Edit, Cut, and that will delete and add to the clipboard that new path. So I'm going to go a new layer, and I'm going to hide everything else, and I'm going to go Edit, Paste in Front. Now I have my new fancy type. Now it's important that when you offset, that you're not losing any of these. If I had gone too much higher, this little thin area would have been completely removed. And that would have ruined the whole process. So now I'm going to select it, and I'm going to go to the path, or the stroke palette, and I'm going to do a stroke of 4 point because that's how much we offset it, and then make sure that align stroke to outside. Now here's when the rounding happens. I'm going to click Round Join. When you round that joint, you have the appearance of the type appearance that you want. The only problem with this is that it's stroked, so if I want to just commit all this, I'm going to go Object, Path, Outline Stroke, and you can see everything's been outlined. Now I'll go to the Pathfinder and choose the Unite option. So click that, and now I have my type all ready to go. Super fancy. So there you have it. In my next tutorial, I will show you how to round these interior corners, which is kind of nice sometimes. So yeah, so this is a great trick when you're doing logo design or other things where you just want to soften that type a little bit or give it that rounded corner effect. So there you have it. Thanks so much, and if you'd like to be alerted the next time I toot, go to my Twitter. Alright, thanks. Have a great day. Thanks for watching Evan Tuted.